morning guys, back with another vlog. You missed it. This morning I wake up, it is a cool fall chilly day. It's chilly. I have a sweatshirt on, my sweatpants, pumpkin little slipper guys. Just feeling like someone is hugging me and this morning is gonna be fantastic. I make my coffee. Mind you, is it mind or remind you? It's mind, right? Mind you, it's the last coffee in the apartment and I was just like, ooh, I had some pumpkin syrup in it. I had the Starbucks non-dairy pumpkin spice creamer in it. It was a good cup of coffee. It was like sipping on a warm cup of love and coziness. So I sit it on my desk, trying to get some stuff together because right now I posted a giveaway on my Instagram, which is @HalloweenHappy if you guys are not following me. By the time that this video goes up though, the giveaway is already done and over with, but you can still follow me over there if you would like. I move my mirror, my filming light starts falling over. I try to catch it and it knocked my coffee over. I posted it on my Instagram. Coffee on my desk, coffee on my keyboard, the mouse, almost the new camera, onto the table next to it, onto the floor. So sad. I was just standing there. I was just looking at it. I was like, but that's okay. I have an energy drink in the fridge, but I think maybe we can go get coffee later. So today is Tuesday as I'm filming this. I need to go by Modern Millie. Also, we need to pick up some stuff from Silver Moon Comics from when we held our event there for the Horror Squad podcast. Talked about going to the pumpkin patch today, so I think we might do that, and I think I'll take you guys along with me. I did like a little post on my community tab here on my channel, and someone's like, your name is Halloween Happy, but you're gone like half of the month, like your favorite month. I know that they weren't trying to be rude or anything like that. I have a lot of things in my mind when it comes to that, because it's like, I know that you would think that I would be posting a lot in October, and I usually do. I think it's been a while, but trying to like work my full-time job and I'm trying to do this too, and I'm dealing with stuff with like my mental health issues. Like, it's just not a good mixture right now, but I'm still here fighting, not giving up. Then I also think like some of the stuff that I want to post, I'm like, it's not good enough, or the editing's not good enough, and then I don't do it, and it's stupid, I know. Then I'm like, well, you guys are out living your Halloween lives, but then I guess you're not. I mean, are you at home watching October videos, like videos in October? I'm here all throughout the rest of the year, but I just want you guys know that I am trying and I'm just doing the best that I can, and I know that they didn't mean it like in a bad way. Getting ready to post a new video. See, I completely forgot that I was doing that. So I'm getting ready to post a video. It's gonna be like my first October vlog of where we go to the parade here in Salem, and then we also do the pet parade. I'm gonna shower and get ready for the day so we can move along. Did want to go to the post office because I need to send some packages off, but I just don't think I'm gonna get to it today. Tomorrow I get to do my COVID test done because Joe and I are going to the Halloween party at the Hawthorne this weekend. So tomorrow afternoon, shortly after the COVID test, I get to go on a radio show that is geared towards Salem locals, and it's to get people to come visit to Salem. Destination Salem, they have a radio show on the radio, so I get to do that. I got an email from Kate and I need to open it to see what I need to do, if I can prep for it or anything like that. I think I'm doing it with a few other people too, so I'm really excited about that. I'm gonna stop rambling here and get ready for the day, get ready to face the day, even though my coffee was spilled. Sad moment, guys. It was a sad, sad moment. Energy drink, here I come. We're driving downtown in Salem. Joe went ahead and went to Silver Moon to get the stuff from the event. We're gonna go to Starbucks before we go to the pumpkin patch. Thought I would show you guys some stuff in Salem, just from the car, nothing too crazy. Do we know what pumpkin patch we're going to?
Connor's Farm.
Connor's Farm?
Yeah.
Okay. Should be a good time.
Yeah, we didn't go last year, I don't think, at all.
No, we didn't. But we're going this year. That's all that matters. Hi, how are you? Good. Thanks so much. We've got a lot of cute houses out here.
They do.
We're gonna move out here. Hey, we really bought a house and we're showing you guys. Surprise.
I wish. All right, we're here.
We're here.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. My God, we're so excited. All right, Connor Farms, here we go. Corn crib, that's fun. Oh, look. How fun. Oh, you're beautiful. Look at him. Hi. Feed him, I'm scared.
Just put your hand out.
Okay. Going into the baby animal barn. Oh, this is fun. Joe's pushing me around. I'm trying to steer with. Well, wait, go slow. I have a coffee in my hand. Ooh, this is fun. Wait, go slow. My coffee's gonna spill. Oh my God, I love this. It's the only kind of driving I like doing.
All right, let's go to this bump.
No, Joe. Oh my God, you're really going. Ah! Found one that works. Oh my God. What's this game called? I forget. Tetherball. I used to run this shit on the elementary part. Let's go. I'm scared. Wait, how do you play though? You do it back. I think if you get it around once, you're.
Oh no, I don't think it's supposed to stop.
Can you just throw it?
Yeah.
Comment below if you remember how to play tetherball, because apparently we do not. It needs to stop.
Yeah. You gotta get it in the middle. So it stays up there. Yeah, see like that.
Oh!
You almost had it.
Scam. It's a scam. Ooh, I got all of it.
You got it?
It's not as heavy as a normal.
Oh, good job.
Thank you. Trying to be cool, but oh, we're gonna miss it, Joe. Oh, we're gonna miss it. Okay. Are we allowed to get on this? Oh, okay. I think he saw that we were wanting to get on it. Am I gonna fit in this? Trying to play it cool. The driver went like that because he saw we wanted to get on. Oh my god! I've always wanted to do something like that. Kids are having a clubhouse meeting. We're not invited. Alright, let's go down this scary slide. Oh my god. Fast. Alright, let's get our apple cider.
This is actually ice cold. If you want this.
Okay.
Solid cider. That's actually cold.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. So the apple cider slushy machine was not working. He gave me like the apple cider out of the slushy machine, so it's colder than the normal cold one.
I just got a hot apple cider.
I didn't realize there was an option to do sugar and plain.
Yeah, I didn't know that. Gonna bring a pumpkin home from the patch.
Yeah. My eyes are watering from the sun. Cheers. I like this one.
All right.
Because it's short and it's squatty, you know? Dedicate this pumpkin slap to all the Halloween happy friends. I want a warty one. Look at this little cute warty one. Just got finished with the pumpkin patch. We had so much fun. Well, I did. I can't speak for Joe.
Yeah, I did too.
I think he had a good time though.
Yeah.
Hopefully traffic isn't too terrible with people going to Salem right now. Just the leaves are taking a little bit longer to turn this year. Great fall activity if you're in the area. Highly recommend Connor Farms. Lot of stuff, like 3 different ride things that you can do. Ton of little play areas if you have children. We also picked up some bean dip. Supposedly it's their famous bean dip. I'll be the judge of that. It's a little bit later. It's like 6 o'clock, I believe. I was just moving that stuff that I got ready for the giveaway. Have Crystal's package that I'm going to be sending her, and I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I'm sending her way. For those of you guys who might be new on my channel, Crystal is one of my best friends. Actually just FaceTimed last night. I miss her so much, but she just had a baby and I was sharing that with you guys because you have seen her on my channel a few times, few comments or messages like, hey, how's Crystal been doing? I was at Target, and we used to go to Target all the time just to hang out and grab our Starbucks and do whatever. But I wanted to send her a few goodies, especially for October, so baby J could be spooky. I found a few cute outfits and I'm gonna pack them up and stuff, and by the time this video is up, hopefully Crystal will already have these. Look at this cute. This could be a thumbnail. We can call it like Halloween baby clothes question mark. Cute little jumper. And last night I saw her on FaceTime. I'm like, why does baby J look almost as tall as you? Like, she is growing so fast. A great tip that I had that someone gave me was to buy clothes when you're shopping for a friend's baby or a baby in the family, is to get clothes far in advance, like 12 months, toddler age, toddler size. My keyboard is messing up from when I spilled my coffee. That's creepy. Hang on. So weird. I don't know if maybe the coffee spilled in the keyboard, so now the buttons are kind of stuck and sticky. It didn't feel like that this morning, but I might have to kind of spray it down. Fingers crossed it's not needing a replacement. Kind of wrinkly because it's been folded up. Long sleeve underneath. Actually, it might be a onesie. Oh, it is a onesie. Okay, kitten face on there. Crystal is cat obsessed. And then I also found this little spooky long sleeve gray shirt. It has a little cat on there with a little jack-o'-lantern and little pumpkins down here. Jack-o'-lantern set comes with a green headband. It's like a onesie, so you could put like a skirt over it, you can put pants over it, tights, whatever. But it comes with these cute little striped leggings. Got her some Sprout slippers a long time ago that I need to send her way. At the time, they were sold out of her size, but I sized down, hoping that she'll be able to wear those. I'm gonna get this little package started for her, and I'm actually gonna put you guys on a charger, so BRB. A little bit later, and I think I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I just took Raven out. It's like 9:30 right now. I'm gonna spend a few hours picking up, I think, so it's one less thing I kind of have to worry about tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me, going to the pumpkin patch. I loved bringing you all along. I'm talking to the vlog, Raven. I'm talking to the vlog. Oh my god, I love you. I love you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Thumbs up if you did. Comment below. Let me know if you've been to a pumpkin patch. Let me know what you're doing to celebrate October this week. You can follow me on social media. All my links are listed down below. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day like today was, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.